Hello dear traders, in this lecture I will explain you why we use portfolio expert advisors for trading on the forex market and why it is much easier than single expert advisor. Well, when we are trading with single expert advisor, it is very easy to attach it to the chart on MetaTrader 4 as I show in most of my courses. The question is that we want to trade with many expert advisors on one trading account to achieve better diversification of the risk. And that is easy, but when we're trading with many expert advisors like 20, 30, 50, up to 99 as I show in some of my courses, it gets difficult and it's actually more time consuming because we need to attach each expert advisor to a separate chart window in order to make them work. So if you look at the MetaTrader and you are using expert advisors, you need to attach each expert advisor to a separate chart window. And if you have different strategies, you need to attach each one to a separate chart window. And when we're trading with portfolio expert advisors, we can place separate strategies into these expert advisors. So we will be placing many expert advisors into one portfolio expert advisor, which makes obviously the work much easier because we can attach this expert advisor to one single chart, and this way we will be attaching 10 expert advisors or 20 or 50 different expert advisors into one chart, because we don't need to open many different charts, but we just need to have one chart where we can attach this expert advisor, the so-called portfolio expert advisor. So by using portfolio expert advisors, we save a lot of time and we achieve better diversification, because if we trade single expert advisors on the MetaTrader, the maximum we can have is 99 as I show in some of my courses. But what if the trader wants to trade with 100 or 200 or 300 strategies? Obviously it's not possible to open so many charts on MetaTrader, but it is possible to place them on few portfolio expert advisors. And I will show you how I am doing the whole process with the EA Studio. This is the web-based strategy builder that we have on our website at eaforexacademy.com. If you look over here, EA Studio, we have it on our website to make it easier for our students and for our traders. There is the 14 days free trial if I log out, where you can register and test it, and this is absolutely for free, guys. You can test the software and generate as many strategies as you wish, okay, for these 14 days. Now for the very new traders, the idea using such a strategy builder is to generate strategies over historical data. For example, you can see that I have on euro dollar for M5 time frame, I have 200,000 bars, okay, from 2015 October 22nd till today, 200,000 bars, which I will be working on, okay, and I will generate strategies over these historical bars. As well, I will show you how you can import the historical data from your broker, because it's important if you want to generate strategies for yourself to generate it over the historical data of your broker, okay? And I will show you how to use the reactor of EA Studio. This is a unique tool that allows the trader to generate strategies over predefined rules for stop loss, for take profit, and to set certain acceptance criteria as a profit factor, minimum count of trades, maximum ambiguous bars, things that I will show you more in details during the course. It is possible to do optimization, walk forward validation, Monte Carlo validation. This is a robustness tool that I'm using when I'm generating strategies, and basically the software does it all automatically, and this way we have many strategies that we filter into the collection. And of course the most powerful tool in these strategy builders is that we can export the strategies as expert advisors for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And if you have your own strategy that you're trading manually, you can add the entry rules and the exit rules, you can add the stop loss and the take profit, and simply you will see the results immediately of this strategy. You will see if actually this strategy is profitable or not, and you can export it as an expert advisor if you wish to trade it automatically. Okay, what we are focusing on in this course is the portfolio. So each strategy from the collection we can put in the portfolio, and this way we will see combined statistic for all of the strategies that are into the portfolio. In this case you can see 10 strategies for euro dollar on M1 chart, and I have a very detailed statistic, and as well in content I can see each strategy, and if I click on each one I can see the entry conditions, the exit conditions, the stop loss and the take profit. I have very detailed report, as I can see very detailed backtest output. Alright, I can see the indicator chart where the trades were open and closed. I can see the balance chart and the journal, which if you compare with the MetaTrader backtester, it will be the same. And as well, if you trade it on a demo account, and after that if you just recalculate it here with the new historical data, you will see the very same results. Okay, so this is how I am building the portfolios and how I can export the portfolio expert for MetaTrader 4. So one more time, I will be trading with portfolio expert advisors which contain many strategies or many expert advisors inside, and I can attach those to single chart, and many strategies will be trading on this chart. Keep in mind that portfolio expert advisor is hedging, and that's why it's possible to be done only on MetaTrader 4. And this is why when you are on portfolio and you click on export, you will see portfolio expert hedging MetaTrader 4. If you go to a single strategy and you go to expert advisor, you can export it for MT4 and for MT5. So this is one of the ways that I create many strategies and trade them simultaneously in one trading account using one portfolio expert advisor. And keep in mind that one portfolio expert advisor can be used only on same currency pair on same chart frame. So I cannot use in one portfolio expert advisor strategies from euro dollar on M1 and on M5 and M15. What I will show in the course is that I will create strategies and portfolio experts only for same time frame for the euro dollar, which I have selected as the one currency with lowest spread for most of the brokers. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me at any moment. I will be very glad to answer you. Cheers!